That's all I can say. God, you're good.
God, you're good. This cheesecake, this doggone. What is this junk called? Banana.
I don't even know. You can't even talk.
I can't even say it.
All tongue tied. Next thing you gonna be speaking in tongues. You coming to Honda?
Look, this doggone freaking banana cheesecake with the custard. This stuff is something to behold
this
here.
Stuff ain't even got alcohol in it. I feel the buzz.
Look at that mess, man.
I feel the buzz.
Look at that. That is one of the best
I got
desserts I've had. I mean, but once again, you can't overdo it. You can't have it more than once. You know, once in a month because
first time I've had this, and I don't even think I ever had cheesecake.
it tastes almost like a banana. It's like a banana pudding.
It is, but it's so light.
Now I'll tell you one thing: with a shot this thing to the stratosphere. Throw some strawberries on this junk.
Oh man,
Good.
You go.
God,
Bananas and strawberry. You'd have been,
man,
you
I've been jumping and rolling the doggone floor.
I would have had to lay hands on you, bring you back. Goodness gracious.
I wouldn't need no plane to go to finish. I would have went straight to finish right there. Great.
Sleep good tonight.
I'll tell you what, don't sleep on this cheesecake. This cheesecake factory and this doggone freaking banana. That's the first time I tried it, and I'm so glad I did, man.
I'm glad you did too, man. 'Cause I ain't trying to eat nothing. You hear the container scraping? That's my fork.
Hey.
If y'all ain't looking, I might have to lick it.
Hey.